For latest updates and short audio clips, follow us on Instagram, Reading the Author.
Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast Reading the Author, a unique show where we read authors' mind and not their book. Meanwhile, I truly believe and pray that you and your families are completely safe and healthy as well. Today we have Swarnalata ma'am with us, the author of Jhumki. Thank you so much ma'am for coming on our show. We are highly grateful कि आप हमारे शो पर आए.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Gaurav. And please call me Swarna or Swarnalata. Please don't call me ma'am. But yeah, thank you. It's nice to be on the show. And as you rightly said, hope everybody is doing good and staying home and staying safe.
Definitely. So, ma'am, my first question to you is कि आप अपनी बुक के बारे में, अपनी जर्नी के बारे में हमें कुछ बताएं. Like, how do you thought to write a book, and please introduce yourself about your journey, your childhood, and all those things.
Okay. So first and foremost, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. So, but a Telugu girl. So it's like a bisi belabat or a khichdi of my roots. So my early introduction towards, I was quite early introduced to books, reading and writing. Everybody must be, kids of 80s would be definitely experience this. कि सब लोग नाना नानी दादा दादी के घर जाते थे summer vacations. So that's how exactly I was also raised. Yeah. So my grandfather, my mom's dad, जो मेरे मम्मी के पापा हैं, नाना जी, he introduced me to the world of stories. So all my summer vacations were like हम जाते थे and every night we used to just spend listening to him telling stories. That's how it was. So wahan se, because, and also, your parents, your families, when you're away from your roots, they are more concerned that you will not pick up language, you will not pick up culture of that particular region. So my grandfather used storytelling to keep us rooted to our origins. हम लोग मुंबई में थे, my grandparents were Telugu, तो उनको डर था कि हमें कहाँ तेलुगु बोलना नहीं आएगा. So कहानियाँ, it also improves your language. So that's how I got introduced to language. And my father himself is very keen, and he's a voracious reader. He writes very well. May sound very filmy that he also used to contribute to newspapers and everything, but to in family responsibilities and all that, तभी उतना convenience नहीं था उनको कि he can just pursue, go and write. Definitely. And कि मैं writer बनना चाहता हूँ and all that. So yeah, so he introduced we children, me and my brother, to a lot of books, a lot of writing, and we used to play a lot of word games. Our favorite pastime used to be word games. So हम लोग वही खेलते थे, वो और Scrabble, बस यही खेलते थे हम. So that's how the writing and interest towards stories came into existence. Then we travel a lot as a family, so I used to have this habit of writing all our travel stories. वैसे बढ़ता गया, and I took up writing as my interest. But that's post my MBA and my corporate stint, I realized कि ये copy machines वो सब मुझसे नहीं होगा. Being in a cubicle and all that is not my cup of tea. So I switched to writing, and that's how I professionally started writing, and I started contributing to magazines, newspapers, theater. मतलब जहाँ पे भी बोलते थे कि writer की ज़रूरत है, मैं पहुँच जाती थी. Like you tell me and I will write. So it has to be like that. Yeah. So that's how it happened. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So as we all know that your book is finally released, and I guess last month is released around on 21st April, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you give us some insight, like जिन लोगों ने अभी तक उस बुक को नहीं पढ़ा है या वो सोच रहे हैं उसे पढ़ने के लिए, तो what can they expect from that book?
Firstly, it's a very simple book, okay, and it's like how we converse with our friends. It's like how you and me would converse. It's a simple book about a simple girl speaking about the most favorite emotion of all of us, that is love. हमने हमेशा देखा है कि फिल्मों में या फिर we romanticize love a lot. हमें अच्छा लगता है, but you know in reality majority would accept or would relate to that you hardly see anybody going on your knees to propose and all these things. अच्छा लगता है, पढ़ने में अच्छा लगता है, but it is little dreamy. What I try to do with Jhumki is to bring in the flavor. So it's again, it's a combination of my experiences of conversations with different people and their take on love, and my personal take on love. So it speaks about. So what you can expect that we are talking about love in a more practical and in a more relatable and in a more relevant format. आजकल की दुनिया में self love people don't understand, but it is very important.
Okay, so it's something mix of fiction world which we have seen, and now it's like we would be seeing some reality in it.
Yes. मतलब it's like when you fall in love and when you are in a relationship, or when people just coin love to one particular style. मतलब I wouldn't say style. There is only one specific framework to love, but it's not like that. Love comes in multiple shades. There is something called self-love. There is something called love that you have with your friends, with your family, and then you have a love that you have with the person whom you say that pyar wala pyar. So we are talking about all of this.
Okay, so it seems to be really interesting, ma'am. So can you share with us like what motivates you to write on this topic?
As I said, for me the motivation comes from any side, any source of any ignition from my environment. So कुछ अच्छा लग गया है, कुछ I have observed something, so it just ignites me. It's my involuntary reaction to write, because it has been like that. I have always been writing. School में कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, I used to write. कहीं घूमने चले गए, कुछ अच्छा दिख गया, कुछ यूनिक पढ़ लिया. Even rewriting, if I read something in a book which I find very very interesting and very nice, I used to have this habit of rewriting it in my own style. So it's just like आदत हो गई. It's like my involuntary reaction to everything.
Okay, so it's just
wouldn't
like,
say motivate. It's like eating and drinking for me.
completely restless.
हाँ, it's like that. इसलिए उतना structured writer नहीं हूँ. I'm not a structured writer.
Okay. Yeah. So can we expect more such books from you, ma'am, or you want to experiment a little bit on other genres as well?
I will be experimenting on different genres, and my second book is already I've already started my writing second book.
Okay.
So it's again completely away from what love this that nahi hai. It's again different, but one thing that will be mostly common in my, I think so, mostly common will be about slice of life. Most of the things I'm very less on dramatizing or fictionalizing too much. I keep it very real and very close to real characters and reactions.
Okay, so it's like you believe in more showing the society a real mirror, what exactly it is, not just fantasizing things about what you have seen from so many years.
Yes, it's basically how I observe things, क्योंकि मुझे उतना my imagination is either too away from reality or I'm too close to reality. बीच का तो होता ही नहीं है मुझसे.
Okay.
So it depends now. Yeah.
Basically what I feel, ma'am, is like it's hard time we all the creative people come together and let's show our upcoming generation or this generation the reality, because there's a lot of fiction in everybody's mind, and it's
correct.
like somewhere it's little bit destroying all of us because we are expecting too much from that.
Exactly. I so agree with you.
Yeah.
We have believed that imagination or fiction is gonna be true.
And the majority is played by the Bollywood itself.
Yeah. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. It's not like that. See, for example, even the books. The only difference between books and movie is that books allows you to imagine. So, for example, if you're reading a Mills and Boons, everybody wants to have that Mills and Boons का hero. अरे नहीं मिलेगा यार, नहीं होता. It's very difficult. Like that. you know. So even for that, even if it is love, for example, if you see Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, for example, you so want to get away with your friends like that, but नहीं होता. बहुत सारे लोग try करते पर नहीं होता.
Definitely.
It's true. Even small things, why just love? Other things also. कि हमने career छोड़ दिया और chef बन गए, नहीं होता यार, बहुत मुश्किल.
That's also. Okay, so my next question to you, I'm like, do you believe in personal branding?
Yes and no. Because I feel that I mean, first of all, I want to ask you, what do you mean by personal branding?
Personal branding as in, I'm like, if I have to tell you in depth, like many authors or everyone who is out there in platform, and you can say that content creators, they they want to pursue their brand. Like if someone sees their name on something, they have a certain sense, like if this is the book, then this must be kind of book this author have written. So in that term, I want to ask, like, you have any certain plans in the upcoming for 5 years or in a couple of years? You want to pursue yourself, you want to mold yourself like that?
See, honestly, I want people to look forward to my writings, but I don't want them to brand me as a particular writer.
Okay.
See, it's like, okay, if this girl writes a book, pakka kuch interesting hoga. That is one kind of a branding that I'm open to. Okay. But I'm not interested कि अगर ये लड़की ने लिखा है तो ये पक्का इसने कोई fiction लिखा होगा. ये नहीं करना है मुझे. Okay. Because then it puts you into a category of not allowing. Then you start believing that you are supposed to write only that.
Definitely.
I may come up with a horror book. You never know. I would like to write पता नहीं कुछ अच्छा लगा, कुछ किसी ने कोई horror story मुझे सच का बता दे तो I may want to write a horror story. But if I brand myself as someone who does these kind of writing, then people will not accept a horror story, right?
Definitely.
It's just like our film stars.
And what I feel is like, if you just create yourself a boundary around yourself, then what happens if you want to explore things, then definitely you won't be able to. Because
exactly
that image will be spoiled according to you.
Yeah, because as I said that लोग सोचेंगे कि अगर ये लिखेगी तो यही लिखेगी ना, और मैंने उसके कुछ अलग से विपरीत ही लिख दिया तो फिर बोलेंगे कि अरे यार क्या लिख दिया. एक्सपेक्टेशंस और नहीं, एक्सपेक्टेशन और रियलिटी में मिसमैच हो जाता है फिर.
Definitely. Okay, so
इससे अच्छा ये ब्रांडिंग कर लो कि दिस गर्ल हैज नो
versatile writer.
Versatile भी मत बोलो, कुछ भी लिखती है, जो इसको लिखना है वो it's like that's why I love Ram Gopal Verma sir. I love him. He says I make films for myself. Those who want to see, please come and see. Those who don't want to see, please go. It sounds like arrogance because he has achieved so much, but mashallah, he has achieved so much. That's how you have to be. Write for yourself. I think writing is very, very healing. So write for yourself. Even if one person is reading your book who's unknown to you, you have achieved it. No? What is और क्या चाहिए? सब लोगों को बेस्ट बुक तो नहीं बन सकते ना, सब लोग तो बेस्ट सेलर्स नहीं हो सकते.
Definitely. So my next question to you is, ma'am, like what I personally feel is like from the last lockdown, there are many authors. Like every single week you can see like multiple books are being published every day. So do you feel like a neck-to-neck competition in this industry? And what's your take on on all these new authors, or what sort of competition you feel from them?
No competition at all, because I believe that all of us are storytellers, all of us. Okay. Everybody has a writer inherently inside us because we belong to that. Storytelling is in our DNA. It's just that people have started realizing that skill in lockdown क्योंकि थोड़ा free time मिल गया है.
True.
That's it. So no, and as I believe that every story has a listener, every story has a reader. सबका अपना अपना interest है, सबका अपना अपना readership है. So good, very good. People are writing, coming up with more. I'm just hoping that people start reading more. Because I get scared when people tell me that नहीं होता यार पढ़ना. I'm like no, please read. reading is a very good thing, yaar. You should read a lot. So I just want people to start reading more and more.
Okay, so here comes my next question, ma'am, from your last answer. Like, what I personally feel, or I have conversation with many authors, and they also feel the same, that readers are getting very less day by day. Like, when it comes to youth, like, no patience in this 15-second of video, like, TikTok reels, all those videos, they just want to swipe up. In fact, I also want to swipe up. So, and reading a book and finishing it is like a hell lot of patience is needed for that.
Correct.
So what an author, publisher, or anybody who's in the marketing field can do to make readers inclined towards reading like the old time which it was used to be?
See, firstly, I feel that authors and publication houses should first bring in that change, or bring back or focus their marketing towards instilling the habit of reading. Because the attention span also depends on the content that they are reading. For example, if I take myself, I love Mahabharata. Okay, I literally love Mahabharata. So you give me any Mahabharata, even an average version written of Mahabharata, I will read cover to cover. But I may not have the same speed for some other book. Like, अगर मुझे कोई self motivation वाला book दे दो, कितना भी अच्छा हो, कितना भी बेस्ट सेलर हो, मैं उसे कवर टू कवर उतना जल्दी नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी. So that you cannot touch, because it is interest and also speed are something which are person to person. But focusing your marketing, or focusing on creating awareness that reading as such is a very good thing for yourself is something that we all need to do. All writers, authors, publishing houses, and in general, like just how we propagate healthy eating, है ना? We say that आपको पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है, पर हफ्ते में एक बार खाओ, please. Similarly, we should say that reading. See, there are certain activities like reading, writing, listening to music. These are very good for you as an individual. भले ही आप you may not read Mahabharata. It's okay, don't read. तुमको scriptures नहीं जानना है, मत करो. But reading is a very good way of evolving as a person. Books are the best way to learn, to evolve, to improve your knowledge and everything. तो वो पे focus करेंगे ना, तो people will embrace more of reading is what I feel.
Okay. So, and what I feel is, these are really reading, writing, and all those the creative things which a person do helps to grow a person in a certain way. As a person you grow, you tends to learn a lot of things from them, different perspective you will be able to see.
Exactly, because see, books are the most unbiased unbiased teachers. See, the book is telling you about a character. The book is telling you about a story. It is not telling you to think in this way. It is just giving you a situation, a story, a character. Now, you are free to take the good things out of it. You are free to analyze the thing. You are free to see कि अगर ये ऐसा नहीं होता तो ये कैसा होता. You are free to debate about it. You are free to write your own version of it. So, isn't it interesting that इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है आपके थिंकिंग प्रोसेस में, इतनी जानकारी मिल रही है आपको.
So, my next question to you is like, do you have any schedule for writing, or it's like random? As you said that you are writing from quite a long time. So, for the book specifically, I am asking, like, have you assigned any particular slot, like every day from this time to this time I have to write, I have to just sit on the table and write all those things, whatever comes in mind, or it's just like random?
No, it's random. रैंडम है इसलिए तो 1 साल लगा यार, seriously.
Okay.
लिखते और लिखने के बावजूद भी I'm sure there will be people who say कि इतना मैगजीन में लिखा है कहाँ है, but she has written so amateurish. Because as I said, I love to call myself a storyteller. Writing is one format for me to tell stories, because I dance, I sing. So for me all these are types of storytelling. So I'm very sporadic, I'm very scattered, I'm very random when it comes to writing. आज पूरा दिन पता चला कि I'm just writing, and then tomorrow I'm just not even touching the pen and paper.
Yeah.
It's like that. So I'm very very scattered in terms of writing, very scattered. इसलिए I call my writing scribblings. I never call them writing. Scribbling, उठाया कुछ लिखा छोड़ दिया.
इनफैक्ट ये कहा भी जाता है मैम कि राइटिंग या फिर कोई भी जो ऐसी क्रिएटिव चीज होती है, समथिंग विच यू कांट फोर्स, ये आपके पास खुद से आती है, राइट?
हाँ, करेक्ट. जितना आप उसके पीछे भागोगे वो बोलेगी टेक इट इजी भैया, यू कांट.
So ma'am, my next question to you is like, do you feel stressed while releasing of a book? Like अभी आपकी जो फर्स्ट डेब्यू बुक रिलीज हुई, तो रिलीजिंग के टाइम आपको ऐसा कोई स्ट्रेस था, या फिर आपने ऐसा कोई माइलस्टोन सेट किया था अपने लिए कि इतने साल से लिख रहे हैं, या फिर मेरी अगर इतनी ऑडियंस है या इतने मेरे लोग जानने वाले हैं तो दे विल इतना तो बेंचमार्क उसको चाहिए होगा मेरे बुक, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
Honestly, no, because as I said, I have been writing before. I have been published in most of the magazines. बहुत सारे बड़े magazines, writing, big celebrities and everything is, got used to it. Now, yes, I was more than stressed. I was very, very excited because, we all grow up reading. I grew up reading a lot of books. And I still remember when I first saw Amish Tripathi ji in a big group. जैसे हम लोग कॉन्सर्ट में जाते तो अमिश त्रिपाठी जी को देखा था मैंने.
Okay.
and I'm a big fan of his Shiva trilogy. Okay, and जब मैंने देखा था I was like, oh, Amish ji types, So holding someone's book and roaming around reading it cover to cover, and now feeling that koi to bhi ek person, as I said, even one person is holding my book and has a book in their rack, I will be more than happy.
Definitely.
That is itself is like a best selling for me.
True.
So not stressed at all, not at all.
Okay.
But eager to know the reviews, but I want to know what people feel after reading, even if it is like, मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी book कहाँ, तो भी I will be like, oh god, मतलब तुमने पढ़ी है, very good, that's all is needed. That's all is needed, you see.
Half filled or half empty, the glass is all yours.
But water was there, no? Water तो लिया था ना.
Definitely.
Bas, that's all is needed. Next level of optimism, you see.
Okay, so ma'am, coming to your personal life now, what was the happiest moment of your life till now? If you can share with us.
There have been quite many. A lot of them, like, I remember, like, in school, I never used to go to take my report cards. I hardly used to go to take my report cards. And I remember when I first got first. I was a good student till some extent, पर बाद में उतना scene नहीं था मुझ में. When I got my first, my dad had gone to take the report cards, and सवेरे 7:30-8 बजे की बात है, because my school used to be at 7. So while coming back, by the time I woke up, my entire one side of the bed I had chocolates because I was first. And I guess I got some 93-94%, I think. I don't remember exactly. And another biggest moment of my life is, when I interviewed this legendary actor of Telugu whose name is Akkineeni Nageshwar Rao. I am sure ANR Bolke, there is one. He is like the epitome of who has taken Telugu cinema to an international level. He's the man. So when I became a journalist, my aim was to interview him. And I interviewed him, and I cannot forget those 3 hours of interaction with him, and that has been life-changing. That has been one of my happiest moments, like crazily happy. I was like jumping. I was like, इसके बाद अगर मैं किसी मैगजीन में कुछ नहीं भी लिखती तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, छोड़ दो अभी, it's okay, I am done. It's like अभी मैं retire हो सकती हूँ. It was like that for me. For a week I was literally in that zone कि ठीक है, अभी कोई भी कुछ भी मत पूछो, चलेगा मुझे. That and so there have been so many such lot of such happy moments, and so a lot of them.
Okay, and my next question to you is, what are the things which you want to focus on as a writer, as a person? What's your current mental state?
I want to, as you rightly asked me, when you asked me, like, do you dedicate specific time for writing? I want to focus on that. I want to give dedicated writing time. जहाँ पे I am improving my writing skill, I am improving, how to present my thoughts in a much better way. So वो learning के लिए I want to dedicate more time, and I want to read more, even more. More diverse books, and on the personal front, I may sound very, very, very क्या बोलते हैं, preachy types, but I've realized that your physical and mental health is very, very important. I've always been into, like, because I said I was into dancing and all that. I dance, and it's not that I'm like, अरे यार पता चला सवेरे उठ के you need to start working. ऐसा नहीं है, but yes, I feel that focusing on physical health and mental health is the need of the hour. It's very, 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 very important, irrespective of your age. I would say kids, even from 5 years, they should start. Chalu kar lo abhi. It's very, very important. Okay. So that's what is in my head right now.
Okay. And my last question to you is, what are your advices for the upcoming authors? Like, if you want to give a couple of advices to the upcoming authors, then what that would be?
First of all, I'm not at all an author or a writer who's worth giving an advice. But all I can say is I can share a personal experience which one of my editors told me when I was working with magazines. Okay. And that is, see, there is no good story or bad story. There is no good writer or bad writer. Okay? It's all about being able to say what you want to say in the right way. That's all. So if you have a good story, if you want to write, please go ahead and write. You can always find people who can improve your language. Okay. Language can be improved, but skill is something that you need to have. Okay. Like, if how should I explain? Like, if you have a great story, you can go to someone who has very good language and say, boss, ये मेरी कहानी है, मुझे ऐसे बोलना है, मैं इसको टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में लिख के दे दूंगा, आप मुझे उसको सुधार दो. इंग्लिश को आप सुधार सकते हो. इंग्लिश को सुधारने के लिए या हिंदी को सुधारने के लिए और तेलुगु को, whatever language you are choosing to stay the story, you can find someone to support to enhance your language. Okay. But the story, the power of story has to be in your head, has to be yours, has to be authentic, has to be interesting and gripping. So that's focus on the story that you want to convey. The rest will fall in place. मेरे साथ तो यही हुआ है बाबा.
Okay. So that was a personal experience which you have shared.
Yes, and that's all I can give as an advice or whatever. Take on.
And any life advice which you like to give anyone who is listening to this podcast, or in fact for me as well, any life advice, any experience or something like that?
Life advice, I don't know. Again, as I said, I am not ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि that I have been one role model. But I will tell you, there is one Telugu phrase. Okay, I'll explain what it is, which my father told me, and my grandfather told my father, which is Anayachita Jivanam and Sunayasa Maranam, which means you should aim to lead a life where you don't have to earn money, which you should not have money or earn money which is not yours.
Okay.
तभी किसी के सामने हाथ फैलाने की नौबत नहीं आनी चाहिए. और बहुत ही आसानी से झटके में you should find your last. That's it. That's life. इस बीच में this you can achieve only when you are, when you're living your fullest. Definitely. Keep it simple. Don't have so much of burden in your life. Keep it simple. Keep it easy, and please, most of the times, I mean, right now I would say that the situation out there is difficult, but please don't take that as your fear and ruin your peace. It's bad out there, but it's not that you should keep on thinking and beating yourself on that. Stay positive. Positivity is very, very important right now, and in general. And yes, keep it as simple as possible.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope कि आपको ये आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. अगर एपिसोड पसंद आया हो तो आप हमारे पॉडकास्ट रीडिंग द ऑथर को ज़रूर फॉलो करें. अवेलेबल ऑन ऑल द लीडिंग पॉडकास्ट प्लेटफॉर्म्स. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू बाय द बुक झुमकी. आप अमेजोन पे जाकर लिख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे आपको आ जाएगी. आप ज़रूर इस बुक को खरीदें और ज़रूर पढ़ें. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on our show and enlightening us with your words. It was truly an amazing experience for all of us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me on your show, and hope, as I said, even if do read my book, and please read more. We need more readers as much as we need more writers. So
Definitely,
please, let's all read more. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
guys.
much, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks.